The stories that we hear in our business are as important to me as the actual boxing. Spartans came about in 2015. It was very clear to us both early on that going into a gym where nobody really knew you or looked you up and down and wanted to have a fight, or all the things that we just don't like about gyms, wasn't the gym that I wanted to own or that you want to be part of.
The real key to what we've done is we've made boxing accessible to everybody. Whether you are somebody with a background like me, you're interested to compete or fight, or you're somebody that wants to lose weight and never had the confidence to step into the gym, or if you want to do something together as a family, we've managed to put that into a boxing gym. And that's really unique. So the idea is these are boxing gyms that are focused on building community. For us, it was an early decision right from the first one that franchising was the way that we wanted to go. So then we embarked on what I thought would be an easy process, turned out to be an evolving process, still evolving now, to develop the franchise model. We wanted strong analytics and dashboard capabilities. We wanted transparency across all of our branches. We wanted integrated payments. We wanted to try and go cashless, and we wanted a business that was prepared to grow with us. We wanted to feel like we were a valued customer. So bringing Glofox into the fold, that was absolutely key.
The fact that we've now got a boxing gym business in a box is a testament to our relationship with Glofox. It's given us the time to focus on what I think we're good at, which is running a boxing business.
When I sit in front of a potential franchisee, this is what I walk them through. There's a complete digitized customer experience, everything from signing up for a trial, through putting on your payments, getting your memberships, buying merchandise. All of that is there. I can't understate how much that has helped us with the growth. Glofox, with the app, the dashboards, is the wow factor. I mean, when I sit down and I try and sell a franchise, this is everything.